Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi. So today we're gonna learn another math, and of course we will learn a formula for a sequence or series, these types of math. And this is very important for you to solving a series or sequence. So I think you all will enjoy this very much. So let's get started. Now you can see on the board I wrote here a problem, and you know that in my previous video I already created about even numbers, but this is for odd numbers. And you also know that in my previous video I questioned you what will be the answer of this sequence, and I think if you didn't see that or watch that, so watch that first and then come on here. And but also one thing, that is if you didn't answer of that question, so pause this video and answer of this question first and then see. Anyway, if you know the formula you can solve. By the way, who don't know the formula, so I am saying you that. So what is the question? Find the sum of first 50 odd numbers. So here in my previous video you saw that even numbers, but this is odd numbers. Anyway, if you know the formula, so you can solve in any way. So you can see 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus ... then 199. So most of the time you can see like here already told 50 odd numbers, but in the question this won't write this series. Okay, the question will be just find the sum of first 50 odd numbers, that's it. But I wrote here, of course, for clear this question what is mainly you have to solve. Here you can see 1 3 5 7 I wrote, but in the question you won't face this, so you have to find what is the exactly your 50 term, what will be your 50 term. So there is also a formula, so I will discuss about this later, but that's not a main thing. Our main thing is to solving this, what is a sum. Anyway, so to find this value you have to know a very simple formula, that is just a formula. Okay, that is very interesting. That is not another thing, that is only n square. This is our formula, that's only this is because what is our n? N means which term you need. Here you can see we need 50 terms, so that means our in the value of n is 50. So of course you can write in your side that n equals to 50. N equals to 50. Okay, so then we will solve by this. Okay, now what you can see, just put the value n is our 50, so 50 square. So what is 50 square? Do you know? Okay, so this is very easy calculation. What does this mean? This means 50 into 50. Very easy calculation, because here's 5 and here's 5 and 5 means 25, and there is 1 and 2 zeros. That means you will just write in the left side or right side of this 25. Anyway, then you will get 2500. So that is the main thing. So 50 square is mean the same thing, so that's why you will also write here 2500. So you don't need it actually, so you can erase those. And anyway, our main thing is this, and this is our main answer. Okay, so we can write this, our answer. So I think this was a very easy. Of course, just you have to apply a formula, then you can solve. Okay, so that's it for today. And you also of course this formula, here's this formula n square, for sum of odd numbers, you have to memorize these. You have to remember this always, because this is of course an easy formula. You have to remember these always. So anyway, that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.